Don't go back to auto show cars. The 2025 Ford Mustang GT 50 V8 is here, and it's redefining what a modern muscle car can be. With a bold, aggressive design and a roaring V8 under the hood, this latest Mustang is all about power, performance, and style. Let's start with the heart of the beast, under the hood. The 5.0-liter V8 engine produces an astonishing 500 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated powerhouse delivers raw, unfiltered performance, sending all that power straight to the rear wheels. Whether you're launching from a standstill or tearing down the highway, the GT50 V8 delivers an adrenaline-pumping experience every time you hit the gas. Ford has refined the 10-speed automatic transmission for even smoother shifts, while the traditional 6-speed manual remains an option for purists who want total control. With a 0 to 60 time of just under 4 seconds, this Mustang proves it's not just about muscle, it's about speed, precision, and thrill. The exterior design is sharper and more aggressive than ever. The redesigned front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a dominant road presence. The aerodynamic enhancements improve both performance and fuel efficiency while keeping the iconic Mustang silhouette intact. New color options, including exclusive limited edition shades, make this car stand out even more. Inside the cabin, Ford has blended classic Mustang heritage with cutting-edge technology. The fully digital cockpit features a massive 12.4-inch instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync 4 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless connectivity. The premium interior materials, available Recaro seats, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the driving experience, making every ride feel special. Ford has also packed the 2025 GT50 with the latest driver assistance technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an enhanced performance traction control system ensure that you stay in control while pushing the car to its limits. And let's not forget the sound. The active valve performance exhaust system allows you to switch between a quiet mode for daily driving and a track mode that unleashes the full, thunderous roar of the V8. It's a symphony of power that turns heads and sends chills down your spine. The 2025 Ford Mustang GT50 V8 is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It stays true to its muscle car roots while embracing modern performance and technology. Whether you're on the track or the open road, this Mustang is built to thrill. Would you take it for a drive? Let us know in the comments. This script delivers a high-energy breakdown of the 2025 Ford Mustang GT 50 V8, covering its power, design, and tech features while keeping viewers engaged. Let me know if you want any tweaks.